So I haven't done one of these vlogs in a while. I'm in New York now. It's the last leg of the Blue Panther tour of Dylan Brody's Driving Hollywood. And I haven't lived in New York for any amount of time in a while. I lived here in the 80s, but I haven't been back for more than a week at a time since. And I'm really taking the time to explore and reacquaint myself with the city. It's changed a lot. This is where they moved 42nd Street down to Canal. And then they replaced Times Square with Piccadilly Circus. It's very odd. In any case, I got 3 more shows in New York. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's I think the 20th, 21st, and 22nd of July at the Pit Underground on 24th Street. The shows are at 7:30. Come to them. I'm shooting the show. I'm taping. Taping? It's not taping anymore, is it? I'm recording. I'm digitally recording on 2 cameras the show on Thursday. And if you are in town in New York, come to the show. If you know people who are going to be in New York this weekend, send them to the show. I want to close this tour strong. It's been such a great time. It's been so much fun doing the whole thing. And I genuinely hope that I get to see you at the show. You can go to the Pit-NYC to buy tickets, and it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, July 20th, 21st, 22nd, 7:30 p.m. in the Pit Underground. Thanks.